Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the NEAT coin. Now this coin just got a brand new central exchange listing on a very big central exchange just yesterday. They got listed December 28th. We're going to go over the information on the NEAT coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So NEAT is the first inscription standard on NEAR, leveraging NEAR's advanced, scalable, and user-friendly blockchain infrastructure. NEAT stands out by recording inscriptions through function calls, ensuring robust scalability and decentralization. Its design, independent of smart contracts, enhances the security of trustlessness of the inscriptions. Leveraging NEAR's hallmark features, user-friendliness, minimal gas fees, and exceptional scalability, NEAT made inscriptions more accessible to a broader public. A single NEAR token can process up to 2,000 inscriptions at the current gas prices, making it highly cost-effective for widespread adoption. So in a nutshell, that's what this project's all about. Now, this token just got listed yesterday, December 28th, on a very big central exchange called Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex account, I do have a Coinex Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search NEAT, and then simply just buy the coin. It is that easy. So they have an official webpage, neatprotocol.ai. Over there, you can find socials. You can find, there's Medium articles, light paper, documents. There's all sorts of stuff here. It says inscription-based roll-up network. Now, they have a Telegram you can follow at NEAT_inscription that has over 3,600 Telegram members. And then they have a Twitter. And as usual, I'm going to put their Twitter up on the screen right here so you guys can easily find this project. You'll see that there is the website and the Telegram both linked on this Twitter right here. They have 171 posts at Inscription NEAT on x.com, 6,115 followers. So it says NEAT NRC-20 Inscription Launchpad. The wait is over. It says, we're concluding the year with the highly anticipated launch of the NRC-20 Inscription Launchpad, unlocking functionalities like inscription minting, transfers, and contract deployment. And it says you could try it out, and this is in their most recent tweet from 11 hours ago. It says, try it out, near.org /inscription, this is a very long URL here and I gotta magnify it. Near.org /inscribe.near /widget /NRC-20. You can easily just find it on their Twitter right there, so go check it out. But yeah, all the links are on their webpage here. So NEAT Protocol is a revolutionary roll-up scaling solution for inscription technology built by some of the earliest contributors to NEAR's protocol. NEAT pioneered NRC-20, the first inscription standard on the NEAR blockchain, NEAT can support various use cases requiring complex operations, including artificial intelligence and order book exchanges. And you can launch the app right from their webpage as well. So some of the use cases, the first one, like I just said, artificial intelligence, enabling the storage of crucial AI elements like data, parameters, algorithms, and models, and outputs on a chain inscription. This innovation allows the integration of off-chain execution in a trustless manner. They also have order book management, supporting seamless inscriptions of the order book entries. A shared sequencing system is utilized to ensure the accuracy, maintaining that all order book records are systematically uploaded and organized in their correct sequence. They also offer gaming, so allowing users to shape the game narrative and save interactions and AI agent data as on-chain inscriptions, fostering an AI society that advances towards artificial general intelligence, AGI. And they also have Decentralized Identity Solution, DID, facilitating the creation, alteration, and connection of identity profiles through on-chain inscriptions. This feature enables easy integration with multiple blockchain ecosystems, establishing an omni-chain social layer. So some of the features is the NRC-20, revolutionary inscription standard on Near protocol. The wrap and unwrap, so convert Near inscriptions into NEP 141 tokens effortlessly. Staking, stake your NEAT tokens to secure the decentralized indexer network, and that one is coming soon. And the decentralized indexer, deploy custom index logic across decentralized networks of nodes using ZK proofs. So Near protocol has a record high transaction volume. Where did all these crazy demands come from? The Near inscription, so that is a quote from Bankless. So they're supported by Orderly Network, BTSE, Gate, Here, Near, Ref.Finance, Sender. So the NEAT token is an NRC-20. It's got a NEP 141 address, and it has 42 million tokens total supply. Like I said, if you want to check out more info, they have the Medium articles, they have the light paper, and they have a full document section you can check out as well. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.